You're watching Stellar Quill, where science meets cinematic mystery and the universe becomes a story worth exploring. Now, let's enter the impossible world of white holes through 200 mind-bending facts. If these facts feel impossible, remember this: a universe born inside a white hole doesn't start with randomness, it starts with memory. The memory of a cosmic collapse that shaped everything we now see. And if that's true, then our universe is not alone. It is part of a greater cycle. If this is true, then the universe you see around you is not the whole structure. It is just one chamber in a vast multiversal cathedral built from collapse, rebirth, and memory. Slacked 125. We might be the latest chapter in an infinite cycle. This is Stellar Quill, where science meets imagination and the universe becomes a story worth listening to. If this journey through the white hole universe changed how you see reality, there are many more mysteries ahead. Subscribe to Stellar Quill for more cosmic documentaries, mind-bending theories, and deep questions that challenge what we think we know about the universe. The cosmos is speaking. Let's listen together. What if the universe we call home isn't open, isn't infinite, and isn't even the beginning? What if everything you see, every galaxy, every star, every atom, is the inside of a white hole, a cosmic eruption from another universe that collapsed long before ours began? If that's true, then reality is much stranger than we ever imagined, because we aren't living in the universe, we're living inside an escape. Star Fact 1. A white hole is the perfect opposite of a black hole. Fact 2. Black holes swallow everything. White holes reject everything. Fact 3. Nothing can enter a white hole, not even light. Fact 4. If our universe is a white hole, nothing external can ever reach us. Fact 5. The Big Bang behaves exactly like a white hole eruption. Fact 6. White holes expand space-time outward at incredible speed. Fact 7. Our universe expands the same way. Fact 8. Dark energy may be the white hole's leftover push. Fact 9. A white hole has a boundary that nothing can cross inward. Fact 10. Our cosmic horizon behaves exactly like that boundary. Fact 11. The universe has no center inside it. White holes don't either. Fact 12. Every point moves outward from every other point. Fact 13. This makes it look like we are the center. Fact 14. But the true center is behind the Big Bang. Fact 15. This hidden center. Fact 16. White hole universes are sealed from outside influence. Fact 17. This explains why the universe is silent. Nothing can enter. Fact 18. Alien signals might exist, but can never reach us. Fact 19. The cosmic microwave background is too smooth to be random. Fact 20. White holes naturally produce smooth, uniform expansion. Fact 21. Inflation theory was invented because scientists couldn't explain uniformity. Fact 22. White hole models explain uniformity without needing inflation. Fact 23. Time near a white hole boundary moves incredibly fast. Fact 24. Time deeper inside moves slower, exactly like what we see in cosmology. Fact 25. The universe may have inherited physics from a previous universe. Fact 26. Black holes might transform into white holes after total collapse. Fact 27. This process could create entirely new universes. Fact 28. Our universe may be one such rebound universe. Fact 29. Some physicists call this the black hole birth model. Fact 30. In this model, every universe creates more universes. Fact 31. Universes with more black holes create more offspring. Fact 32. Our universe has an unusually large number of black holes. Fact 33. This may not be coincidence, it may be evolution. Fact 34. Physical laws may adapt across generations of universes. Fact 35. Gravity strength, light speed, particle masses may be inherited. Fact 36. White holes preserve information from earlier universes. Fact 37. That information becomes the blueprint for the next universe. Fact 38. This solves the black hole information paradox. Fact 39. Nothing is truly lost. It just moves forward. Fact 40. Some white hole models predict universes layered like a cosmic tree. Fact 41. Our universe may sit on one branch of an infinite family. Fact 42. Every black hole could contain a universe inside it. Fact 43. Inside those universes, more black holes would form. Fact 44. Each forming even more universes. Fact 45. Reality may reproduce like a living organism. Fact 46. Our universe is part of that reproduction cycle. Fact 47. This is known as cosmological natural selection. Fact 48. White holes act as the cosmic birth canal. Fact 49. Black holes act as the cosmic wombs. Fact 50. The Big Bang was not creation, it was transition. Fact 51. Some theories say the Big Bang was a white hole bounce from a dying universe. Fact 52. This bounce would carry information forward into our universe. Fact 53. That information may define our physical laws. Fact 54. This could explain why our universe's constants are so finely tuned. Fact 55. White holes naturally produce accelerating expansion. Fact 56. Our universe's accelerating expansion is one of its biggest mysteries. Fact 57. Dark energy behaves exactly like white hole pressure. Fact 58. Our universe may be expanding because something outside is still pushing. Fact 59. The push may come from the collapsing universe that birthed ours. Fact 60. A white hole's interior is a domain where time moves differently. Fact 61. Time dilation in our universe matches white hole predictions. Fact 62. Galaxies far away appear younger due to cosmic time effects. Fact 63. If we lived inside a white hole, our time would always be slowing relative to the boundary. Fact 64. This may explain why the universe looks younger the deeper we observe. Fact 65. White holes create a natural direction of time, past to future. Fact 66. Our universe has an irreversible arrow of time for unknown reasons. Fact 67. A white hole origin may be the reason time can never run backwards at large scales. Fact 68. Entropy increases inside a white hole universe. Fact 69. This aligns with why the universe becomes more disordered over time. Fact 70. Black holes inside our universe might be connected to white holes in others. Fact 71. This connection could form a cosmic web of universes. Fact 72. Each universe could influence the next through inherited quantum patterns. Fact 73. This may be why universes tend to produce more complexity over time. Fact 74. Life itself may be an inherited trait. If these ideas feel overwhelming, that's because we're no longer speaking about stars or galaxies, but about universes giving birth to universes. Imagine reality not as a single sheet, but as a vast forest whose trees are made of space-time itself. A forest where each tree is born inside the collapse of another, where black holes become seeds and white holes bloom as cosmic flowers exploding outward into new realms. And if so, our universe is not alone. It is one blossom in an endless garden of reality, continuously growing, continuously evolving, continuously remembering what came before. 76. White holes have no singularity in some quantum models. Fact 77. Instead, they have a quantum core that bounces rather than collapses. Fact 78. This bounce may be what we experienced as the Big Bang. Fact 79. The universe expands too uniformly to come from chaotic collapse. Fact 80. Uniform expansion is a signature of white hole geometry. Fact 81. White holes eject spacetime evenly in all directions. Fact 82. This explains why cosmic expansion looks identical everywhere. Fact 83. A white hole universe cannot collapse from internal forces. Fact 84. Our universe may expand forever because collapse is forbidden. Fact 85. White hole boundaries cannot be crossed inward. Fact 86. This explains why we never detect anything entering our cosmos. Fact 87. SETI's Great Silence may be a structural limitation of our universe. Fact 88. A white hole universe is a closed communication chamber. Psi and number 89. No signals can reach us from outside dimensions. Aliens might exist, but we are sealed off from them. Fact 91. Our universe could be a cosmic quarantine, a cosmic cradle, safe from external interference. Fact 93. Quantum rules may be fossilized memories of previous realities. Fact 95. The Higgs field could be the residue of the collapse that birthed us. Fact 96. The distribution of matter in our universe looks like a rebound pattern. Fact 97. A rebound white hole captures and re-ejects energy in predictable ways. Fact 98. These predictions match early universe observations. Fact 99. Our universe might be expanding through dimensions we cannot perceive. Fact 100. If so, the true shape of our universe is far more complex than we imagine. We often imagine the universe as a simple bubble expanding in empty space. But what if the truth is far stranger? What if the universe is not in space, but space is inside the universe? What if space itself is the product of a force erupting from a deeper dimension? A force that carved reality outward like a cosmic shockwave, leaving behind fossilized fingerprints everywhere we look. In the speed of light, in the strength of gravity, in the quantum tremble of every particle. And what if those fingerprints belong not to randomness, but to a parent universe whose final collapse became our first breath? Fact 101. A white hole universe produces expansion that accelerates with time. Fact 102. Our universe's expansion is accelerating, a perfect match. Fact 103. This acceleration has no known cause in standard cosmology. Fact 104. White holes create unstoppable outward pressure. Fact 105. Dark energy may simply be the internal signature of a white hole. Fact 106. A white hole boundary may still be expanding behind the Big Bang. Fact 107. If so, the universe is still being born. Fact 108. This would mean we live in a universe still connected to its origin. Fact 109. Quantum foam at the Planck scale may reveal that connection. Fact 110. Some models predict a white hole echo detectable in gravitational waves. Fact 111. Strange, unexplained, low-frequency signals have been found in cosmic data. Fact 112. These signals could be the faint whisper of our universe's birth event. These signals could be the faint whisper of our universe's birth event. Fact 113. White hole cosmology suggests time had no singular beginning. Fact 114. Instead, time transitions smoothly from collapse to expansion. Fact 115. Meaning, time did not begin, it changed direction. Fact 116. This would make the Big Bang a turning point, not a start. Fact 117. The universe might contain hidden patterns from the collapse phase. Fact 118. These patterns may be encoded in the cosmic microwave background. Fact 119. Unusual cold spots in the CMB could be remnants of the earlier universe. Fact 120. White holes create cosmic bounce signatures in radiation maps. Fact 121. Some anomalies match those signatures disturbingly well. Fact 122. If confirmed, it would be proof our universe was once a collapsing one. Fact 123. This is called the Big Bounce theory. Fact 124. In the Big Bounce, universes repeatedly collapse. Imagine standing at the event horizon of a universe collapsing inward, so dense that even time begins to fold, so bright with trapped energy that physics itself begins to crack open. Now imagine all of that energy, all of that information, all of that ancient cosmic memory being forced outward, not destroyed, not erased, but transformed into a new universe. Every atom inside you, every law of physics holding your body together, every constant that defines existence could be the recycled ashes of a universe long gone. We are not standing at the beginning of time. We are standing inside the memory of something older. Fact 126. A white hole cannot collapse from its own gravity. Fact 127. This means our universe may never collapse inward. Fact 128. Instead, it may expand forever into cold emptiness. Fact 129. Or until its energy source, the parent collapse, finally stops feeding it. Fact 130. At that moment, expansion might slow dramatically. Fact 131. Eventually, the universe could freeze into absolute darkness. Fact 132. White hole universes tend to fade rather than end violently. Fact 133. This fading aligns with heat death, a predicted cosmic future. Fact 134. Every star will burn out far before this point. Fact 135. Every black hole will evaporate into faint radiation. Fact 136. Only dark, cold spacetime will remain. Fact 137. But some theories predict a second bounce after maximum entropy. Fact 138. Meaning, after death, our universe could collapse again. Fact 139. A new white hole could form from that collapse. Fact 140. A new universe could emerge from that white hole. Fact 141. This cycle could continue forever across infinite epochs. Fact 142. We may be one link in a chain of universes with no beginning or end. Fact 143. If universes evolve, some may develop stable conditions for life far more often. Fact 144. This could explain why our universe's laws seem perfectly tuned for complexity. Fact 145. White hole universes may be selected for stability and creativity. Fact 146. Our universe's structure resembles a fine-tuned outcome. Fact 147. This tuning may not be coincidence, but inheritance. Fact 148. The cosmic silence may a result of dimensional isolation. Fact 149. Or because we were never meant to look beyond our cosmic boundary. Fact 150. If we live inside a white hole, the true universe lies far beyond our reach. We often search for the edges of the universe, hoping to find a wall, a boundary, a clue to what lies beyond. But what if the universe has no beyond in the way we imagine? What if everything outside our observable cosmos belongs to another dimension, another collapse, another reality, whose fingerprints we can only feel as faint whispers in the microwave background and the expansion of space? If our universe is a white hole, then we are floating inside the rebirth of something ancient, a cosmic echo so powerful that its final breath became our first moment. We are not separate from the past. We are the past, reshaped into something new. Fact 151. A white hole universe cannot receive matter, but it can generate it. Fact 152. This may explain why the Big Bang produced more matter than antimatter. Fact 153. Matter asymmetry is still one of science's biggest mysteries. Fact 154. White hole physics naturally produces excess matter. Fact 155. This could explain why the universe didn't annihilate itself at birth. Fact 156. Quantum fields inside a white hole behave differently from normal space. Fact 157. Their fluctuations may have seeded the early structure of the cosmos. Fact 158. Tiny quantum ripples became galaxies over billions of years. Fact 159. These ripples match patterns predicted by white hole cosmology. Fact 160. A white hole interior evolves from extremely hot to extremely cold fast. Fact 161. This matches how the universe cooled rapidly after the Big Bang. Fact 162. Cooling curves in our universe map closely to white hole models. Fact 163. The universe should have collapsed instantly, but it didn't. Fact 164. A white hole origin prevents collapse during early formation. Fact 165. Space itself may be expanding through a higher dimensional funnel. Fact 166. This funnel could be the remnant of the parent universe's collapse. Fact 167. Some scientists think the Big Bang singularity is actually a white hole throat. Fact 168. This throat connects two universes across time. Fact 169. If so, our universe has a hidden parent. Fact 170. That parent universe could have been completely different from ours. Fact 171. Different physics, different matter, different time. Fact 172. Our universe might carry faint genetic traces of that older universe. Fact 173. Energy patterns in the CMB may hint at that ancient connection. Fact 174. White hole cosmology allows infinite universe ancestry. Fact 175. We may be the latest leaf on an ET. When we look into the night sky, we're not just seeing stars. We're seeing memories. Memories of a universe that lived, collapsed, and poured its final breath into the creation of ours. Every photon traveling across space is a reminder that our universe was shaped by forces older than space and time themselves. And if white holes truly gave birth to our reality, then the cosmos is not a lonely place. It is a lineage, a story, a chain of universes connected by collapse and rebirth. And we, living, thinking, conscious beings, are part of that story. Fact 176. White hole universes cannot be entered from outside, ever. Fact 177. This makes them perfect cosmic incubators. Fact 178. Life may evolve more safely inside a white hole universe. Fact 179. No external cosmic disaster can reach inside. Fact 180. Our universe might be engineered by natural selection for stability. Fact 181. Stable universes survive longer and produce more black holes. Fact 182. More black holes, more offspring universes. Fact 183. This is evolution, but on a cosmic scale. Fact 184. Our universe may be optimized by ancestral universes before it. Fact 185. Even consciousness may be a recurring byproduct of cosmic evolution. Fact 186. If life exists in many universes, intelligence may guide cosmic outcomes. Fact 187. Advanced civilizations in parent universes may have impacted our physics indirectly. Fact 188. But they can never contact us. Our boundary is sealed. Fact 189. This is why the universe is silent. Fact 190. White hole reality explains silence better than alien absence. Fact 191. The end of our universe may be slow, cold, and quiet. Fact 192. But every ending creates conditions for a new beginning. Fact 193. Heat death may trigger collapse into a new phase. Fact 194. Collapse may form a new black hole. Fact 195. That black hole may rebound into a new universe. Fact 196. Everything we know may become the blueprint of the next universe. Fact 197. Nothing in the universe is truly lost, not even time. Fact 198. White holes preserve the continuity of existence. Fact 199. The Big Bang wasn't the beginning, it was the middle of an eternal cycle. Fact 200. And if we live inside a white hole, then we are part of a cosmic story that never truly ends. So what does it mean to live inside a white hole? It means the universe isn't just expanding, it's remembering. It means we didn't start at zero. We inherited the fate of a universe that lived before us. It means time is not a line. It is a cycle of collapse and rebirth. It means reality is far older, far deeper, and far more interconnected than we ever imagined. And it means that one day, long after our galaxies fade, long after our stars burn out, long after the universe grows cold, a new universe will rise from the ashes of ours. We are not witnessing the beginning of everything. We are witnessing one moment in an infinite cosmic heartbeat.